The monster has got two arms. The monster one nose. The monster has got 7 legs. This is our monster. And my monster and got and 2 eyes. My monster has got two eyes. My monster has got 3 legs. My monster 2 legs. This is our monster. My monster has got 3 horns. My monster has got 7 eyes. My monster has got 1 mouth, 2 nose. My monster has 8 eyes. My monster has got 1 mouse black. My monster has got 4 horns. My monster has got 2 legs, 1 brown, 1 red. My monster has got 2 legs. My monster has got 3 horns, 2 wings, 1 blue. My monster has got 1 mouth, color green. My monster has got 2 eyes and 2 purples. My monster has got 4 legs, 2 pink, 1